Well, I've come to learn that there is one important step in homeowner lawn care that is very easily neglected, and I want to talk about it today because it's just as much my problem as it is for probably a lot of you. Let's get started. You know, it's so easy to get caught up in all of the work that goes into maintaining your lawn. Mowing, watering, fertilizing, biostimulanting, dethatching, aerating, overseeding, all the ings, that we forget the most important step of having a lawn. And that is enjoying the lawn. We need to enjoy the lawn. The lawn is where the memories are made. So make them. Consider this your public service announcement. Use your lawn for what it's really made for. The whole reason you put all this time and effort and money into your lawn. Memories. Go make them. Moments. Cherish them. For real. This is where the memories happen. Now there's tons of things you can do in the lawn to make your memories. Have some friends over, barbecue some food, play some games, get out the slip and slide. It's gonna be okay. The grass will recover. There's so many things that you can do in the lawn. I like to hit golf balls in my front yard. That's one of the reasons I like having it cut so short, is because not only does it feel good when I walk on it, but kicking a soccer ball around with my kids or hitting golf balls in the front yard, it's a lot easier and it's a lot more enjoyable. So take some time to just enjoy your lawn. Never forget that. That's the most important step. The work is fun, at least for some of us. For me, the work is enjoyable, the work is therapy. I look forward to the work, but I need to spend more time looking forward to and enjoying the fun. So as the summer is starting to wrap up and we're getting into fall projects and it's starting to get busy for us before winter, I hope you'll take whatever time you have left and spend it in the lawn and enjoy it. Have some fun, roll around, play games, make the memories, all the things. And that's it. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you do to enjoy your lawn. I'm gonna select a random comment and send you a sticker pack. 3 stickers, just to say thanks. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I did it! The perfect cartwheel.